Hi, my name is Perry Sessions from Mesa Digital Marketing, and today I'm going to show you how to create a product in WooCommerce shop for a WordPress website. All right, after you've logged in and you see your dashboard, go ahead and get to the WooCommerce options. Right below them, for all your websites, you're going to have the products option. Okay, and we want to add a brand new product. Okay, so our store right now looks like this. No products were found in our store page. So we're going to change that right now and show you how to get it started. So enter the name of the new product. So we'll just call this one the test product. And this is a little bit tricky. You have two places for text in this particular theme, and it might be similar in yours. There's text box here and there's one below here. So this is actually the product short description. The one above here was a description that kind of happens in a box that toggles on and off, or should. We'll double check here as we go along. But let's put the product description here. Okay, and then we can add images in there. You can make that more like a true landing page, sales page, more salesy. But we'll just get straight to the other options. So this is SEO. We're going to skip that. Remember that your name of your product is going to show up as your URL for SEO. All right, so first things first is what type of product this is. In this example tutorial video, we're just going to show you a simple product. Be aware that there's group products. You can download a lot of WooCommerce extensions for a lot of different options. So in this case, a simple product. We want a regular price of $50 for this product, or we'll say $49 to be more. And then we can also put it's on sale today for $29. Okay. You can even schedule that sales price. It's as easy as it sounds. Click schedule, tell from when to when. In this case, we don't. When we do the sale, it's going to cross out the $49 and show $29 instead, which is great for showing them what you want. Now, if you do have this sale as, for instance, a free PDF, or not a free, but for your PDF book, you want to send them, you're going to want to do some more additions to that. But if you have a virtual product, for instance, they're downloading a book or some kind of file from your website, you can add a file and do that here. If it's virtual, this is a big difference. Virtual and downloadable, the process gets completed instantly, meaning if it's a virtual downloadable product, they get sent an email saying your order, you've paid for it, and they get another email, the customer does, saying it's been complete, here's your download links for your virtual product that you ordered. So those are important for that case. Inventory, how many do you have? A SKU number is not required, but a good idea if you're going to have a lot of stock. And then this is in stock. You obviously turn that off if you don't want them to buy it. I've seen people do out of stock just for coming soon products if you want. And then you can manage the stock quantity here. And that will show displaying there's 5 left for the person. You can tell it in the settings of WooCommerce when to display. There's only 5 of these products left. Kind of give them more urgency to buy your product. So back orders we don't want to allow. That's going to be a very unique case if you do. Sold individually is going to be a huge and important case in digital products. If you sell someone a membership, you don't want them to continually buy it, not knowing that, maybe they're confused and they didn't think they bought it, so they buy it again. You just want to have them allow one of those products for membership. Now we're not going to go through a ton of the shipping options here in this tutorial, but this is where you're going to assign the shipping class. A lot of times what you'll do is in the WooCommerce settings, create flat rate shipping of $8 for all your products, and then you just come into this product and select flat rate, and that will be applied. You can also create a default shipping method, so if it's not selected here, all your products get assigned it without you doing it manually. Link product, it's going to show in the bottom portion, different products. We're creating this as one, but if you had a bunch of products, you could show related linked products that they can upsell with or go to, kind of like thinking like Amazon and what's related there. And then attributes, you'd have to create in the attributes category first. It's going to be for more advanced type of orders. Okay, and then purchase notes. If you want to make sure that they're aware when they buy this product, you say, okay, listen, this is a custom product. We'll email you with more information or something like that. Menu order is going to be important as well, depending on how you style this store. So what you can do is you can say this product's 10, and then maybe you're going to have 10 types of products within it. And then the next product category is 20, so it gives you kind of a buffer room to organize your products. and then enable reviews or not. If you don't think people are going to have them, you can turn it off. So we'll keep it on for now. So those are the options for a simple product, and nothing else here is really relevant to what we want to look at. But we can create a new category, and we'll call this one business, I guess, and add it. Tags for SEO if you want it. And then this is the next important setting of creating a product is what images you're going to use. So let's create the main product image, which is like the featured image that they're going to see on the product page. This is the one that's the most important. So for selling some furniture, for instance, let's say this is the furniture we're selling. We select that product, and then we go ahead and say I want to add a gallery of images so they can take a look at. So this one, we actually want both of these in here. Let's see if you can select multiple at a time. Okay, there you go. So I'm holding down Command on a Mac, Control on a PC, and then just selecting the chair images that I see. Okay, and we'll just click a bunch of them and add gallery images here. Sometimes the loading will take a little bit of time, so don't scroll up real fast and update or publish until you make sure those are showing in that area. All right, and then now that we have a pretty good base here, let's publish it. We're going to go back to our store, and we're going to see what it's displaying here for us now. Okay, there it is. So it's showing the sale of our product. This theme applies a lot of different styles to it. Your theme might look different, but ours on hover over, we have add to cart and the title of the product and then the sale. So if I click on the title or the image, I'm going to go to the product, the inside page of the product. If I click add to cart, it's going to just add it to the cart and stay here. So let's click on the picture instead. So now we're inside the product page, and we have a bunch of different options. We can have the user buy more than one, then add to cart. There's our product description, like you talked about here. And I didn't add another description, so you would have seen it here if I did it in that top box. But there's the reviews, a drop down. If someone has written a review, you can set it up in the WooCommerce settings to only let them write a review if they've purchased it. They're logged in and they've purchased, and your website could tell if they purchased before. So then the last of all, the images. I can click on the main image and get a light box or a pop-up box of the images, and you could scroll through all 6 of them in this case. And again, depending on your theme, you'll get a different look and feel to this. Okay, then click out of it or click the X, and that's it. So let's show you now that we've created a product, they can add it to the cart. And this now gives us the view cart. You can change your settings again in WooCommerce to say in the products display that you can have them go straight to the cart after they add it. If you want to get them through the process, maybe you only have a few items that are a little bit higher profile. So it looks like we're missing a step here with our cart, but this is just the beginning steps of the tutorial here to show how to create a product. And then we'll show you the main steps later, but hopefully it's helpful for you to see how to add the images, the categories, and get it to display on your shop page. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you on the next videos.